Hello and good morning. This is TradersClub24. My name is Christian. Welcome to our daily market opening trade. I'm currently 8:53 here on the Thursday, the 21st of June. And yeah, we need to look ahead. Our Swiss neighbors, they are due for the interest rate decision, approximately half an hour. And later this morning, we are waiting for the Bank of England to make their announcement of how they will keep or maybe change their interest as well. So that's going to be an exciting morning. Let's take a quick look at our blue box signals so far. Our blue box signals, that's a algorithm program to find specific areas of balance in the chart. And when we look here on the left hand side, we do have signals, pound yen. We do have an orange box right here, 13, 14 points big. And we do have a couple of other signals going on cable. However, this box just 10 pips, so too small for us to trade. We'll see about this very later in our live trading room. Okay, let's come to our market opening trade, 8:55, and so far we are trading within a very narrow range this morning, especially when I cancel out the first two bars here. So the range actually is 27.5 points. Currently trading slightly under the 12,700 price level, the DAX. So I'm now going to place my lines, and in this case we are placing the lines on the bottom half of the first hour of trading. Please keep in mind that we do it either on the bottom half or on the top side. So that's done, 2010, and now I'm going to activate my pending lines by clicking on entry on, and yeah, in approximately 4 minutes the market opens at 9 a.m. sharp. I'll be back then. So DAX currently trading at 12,694 points, and we are looking towards new trading lows in the market. 1 minute to go for the actual market opening, and maybe we get triggered even before the market opening. We'll see. All right, and we are now in our first trade. See, the red line has been triggered, and our take profit is at a price level of 12,682 points. So first one short. So now 9 a.m. market has opened. Still short in the first trade. So very nervous. All right, change of direction again, and we are now in our second trade. Long, our green pending order at 12,705 has been triggered. So that means that our blue line jumped from down here to up here, and when I'm saying that we are in the second trade, the first one is still running, so we are slightly negative here. You can see that minus 1.8% approximately, 0.2, and the position size of the second trade is obviously higher than the first one. So once we'll reach the blue line, or we actually cross it, both trades will get closed out, and at the end it will leave us with a target or with a profit of 0.10% on the account balance. Okay, so again, very nervous, as I mentioned. Another bearish candle, which triggered our pending order line. Similar to yesterday actually, where we got out of the trade with the third one, and Yeah, it looks very similar today. And now we just need 2 more points. Oh, now it's actually 3, 4, 5, 6. Bit unlucky here. So, and one thing I like to do once we are in the third or in the fourth trade is that I'm going to adjust my take profit to prevent myself from getting a negative slippage. So in this case, I'm clicking on exit off, custom, and again left click on the blue line, and I'll just change it down for a couple of points, not much actually, and then exit on again. So 39 euro 0.50, that's going to be my target for this morning. All right, 10 minutes past 9, and we are still in our third trade. Please keep an eye on the numbers here on the right hand side. Yeah, so trading within our original box. Not much of an impulse like yesterday, for instance, where the market broke down like 20-30 points. That's not going to happen today, or at least not of yet. Yeah, no worries, we'll hang in there. Okay, 13 minutes, 40 minutes past 9, and now it gets a bit more interesting. Again, we just need 1-2 more points to get out, which just happened now. Excellent, so we are out of the trade, and if I do recall correctly, trade number 415 consecutive market opening trades in a row. Yeah, good stuff. Even it took us almost 15 minutes to get out of the trade. Bit nervous today. I'd like to head back to the original setup. So looking at the next port lines. So for you, let's join the trade here one more time. Let's check my account history. And I'd like to show you each of the 3 trades separately. M1 magnifying glasses, and here we go. So the first trade short, second trade long, third trade again short. Each trade is done with a different volume size, and then all 3 trades got closed out here. First one, so first the biggest one has been closed, and the second one and the first one we entered is closed. At last, and in order to prevent slippage, I have changed my take profit to get out a bit more healthier than originally intended. So it's not just 0.10%, but should be something like 0.2 or something. All right, thanks very much for watching. I'm looking to set up or to create a video about our SwissBox trading strategy, Blue Box trading strategy, and so on. So we do have all of these on our German website, but we are very keen, very eager to have it translated into English over the next couple of weeks. Hopefully we'll have a specific domain like TradersClub24.com available for you guys, and then you can expect a bit more content, a bit more English content from us, especially for our viewers in South Africa, I know Australia, Canada, and England, huge followers of our videos. Thanks very much for that. Stay tuned, and I'll see you tomorrow morning. Goodbye.